Welcome back to my channel at natassiar1. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an activated charcoal chicken wrap. We've got a pan which I've already put on medium heat, and I'm going to add some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil, because I love the extra oleic acid which you get in your olive oil, which gives you omegas 6 and 9, which are really good for your health. Then we're going to take the garlic and we're going to add maybe a teaspoon of garlic. And be careful because you can actually hear the sizzle. And then we're going to add our chilies. Add our chicken breast. We're also going to add some soy sauce. Then let it cook for about a minute or two. Then add your baby spinach. Once you're done, put that into a bowl. So now we're going to add our baby spinach onto our wrap because we want to start assembling our wrap. Once you're done with your baby spinach, we're now going to take the carrot, the grated carrot, and put that on as well. Okay. And then last but not least, we're now going to put in the chicken. So I'm using my hands because I want to individually make sure it is put onto the wrap and that we don't sprinkle any unnecessary liquid on your wrap. So it's important that you do that. And now we wrap. So we're going to fold it from one side and then we fold it on the other side as well. Keep folding against the grain. There we go. Trust me. And one more fold on the side. Boom, boom. And fold it over. And here you go. And then we're going to cut it in half. Bingo. Take a look at that. Boom. And then we can add one more onto this plate. And here's your wrap. This is your activated charcoal wrap. Boom. So guys, that's how simple it is to make an activated charcoal wrap. If you like today's recipe, like my video, subscribe to it, share my content on social media, on Facebook and Instagram. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you liked the taste of the activated charcoal. And until next time, enjoy your wrap. That's a wrap.